my new Sony a7c just arrived and we're going to unbox the new camera together. Alright, you might have noticed that I just made myself a little table over here where I can put the new box to unpack it, and I got myself a scissor to just open the box. And yeah, hello and welcome to this video. Sorry, it looks terrifying when I have the scissors in my hand. Hello and welcome to this video. It's just a bit different than the others, but I thought it might be, it might be cool to have an unboxing video just as a memory and yeah, to enjoy it together. Alright, let's start. Okay, so let's open it up. Oh, I'm so excited. I feel like I'm not trembling, but I don't know in which camera I should look. Not a good thing. I'm not trembling, but I feel my body is like a bit weird from all the excitement and everything. But yeah, I'm just so happy. Okay. Oh. Alright. 1, 2. Oh, 3, this one, and ta-da! Oh, okay, put this one here away as well. Oh, so cool. So cool. Oh my god! Okay, I didn't know, let me know in the comments. Which kind of person do you are? Are you the one that just wraps packages open no matter what and tears everything apart? Or are you very careful that it doesn't break and that you even could reuse the package? Because I'm like that. Oh, yes. Okay. 1 year extended warranty. Here you go. Oh my god, I'm sorry. My hand is so trembling. It's trembling so much. Okay. All the information and stuff. Ah, yes. Register a new body. And all these things here. Explore the range of lenses and accessories. Okay. Well, I just bought another camera for $1,500. I'm not looking forward to, or yes, in the future I'm looking forward to buy other stuff, but not right now. So yeah. And this is just a help guide. I'm just wondering, I'm here in Switzerland. I was thinking about this should be in German, but on the top here it's in English. But I just saw that it's for all languages just in this one book. So just on the front, and it's in English. Okay. Alright, so when you open it up, it goes like this. So here it's just a normal Sony camera strap put on. And now it's this one. Just the camera strap, so that, then a battery, right? Oh no, it's not the battery. Is this the new charging cable? Or just an adapter for something else? I'm not sure if I have this one with the Sony a7 III as well. I'll find it out. Okay, so let's put this over here. Ah, this must be the battery. Okay, so this is the Z-type battery, which lasts longer. It's also the one that I have for the the Sony a7 III, so it's perfect. So they're just the same batteries, so no matter which battery I'm charging, I can use the batteries in both cameras. Okay, this one. And now Oh my god. Okay. Okay. No. Oh, okay. I just had a tiny little shock because this plug doesn't work here. But there's this one here as well. That's a good one for here. Okay. Okay, but I don't care about the plugs now. There must be a way to take it out. Yes, like this. Ah, and now there's another cable as well. This is a cable. Ah, this might work with this one here. So there's a USB-C plug here and a socket for USB-C in here. So I know I'm taking up far too much time until I get to see the body, maybe for your taste. But I'm really the type, I need to have everything nice, tidied up. That's the word that I was looking for. So yeah. So I've done it now, and now we'll go over to the body and have a closer look at the body. What? Oh, this is the moment. This is the moment. Ah! Okay. Oh. Wow. Okay. Alright. You are making quite some noise. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's beautiful. I'm so happy that I decided to get the silver, the one with the silver top. Because just the look of it makes me so happy. And I'm such a visual type. I've made the mistake in the past that it was like, this was when my MacBook broke. And it was like, oh, MacBook is so expensive, I'll go for a Surface. And then I bought the Surface that was about, I don't know, $200 or $300 cheaper. I had it for half a year, and then I realized I was so unhappy that I bought myself a MacBook. And then I was very happy, but if I would have just, in the first place, spent $200 or $300 more, I would have saved about $3,000 or $4,000. So more is sometimes better than less. That's what I wanted to say. Okay, this is a bit annoying, but I'm just, when I put the straps on, or I can get rid of these things here, then it's fine. Is this battery charged? If it's not, I'm kind of sad. Should go in here like this. It's charged! It's charged! That's the first thing that came up. Next problem. Too many problems here. Oh, I like the sound. I like it. Back after a brief break, I just charged a little bit the second battery from my SONY a7c. Let's put on the first lens on the SONY a7c. Just a little hint or a trick for you. When you take this lid off, always hold your body with the face down so that dust and stuff kind of get on the sensor with just the gravity. Cool! Okay. Alright. Okay, I clearly feel the difference. Because the body is very small and very compact, and the lens I have is quite big. But I'm so happy. I'm so happy about it. Okay. Go around here to manual. And then I really hope I have enough battery life so that I can take at least a picture in here. 20%. No card. Oh, I need a card. I need a card! It's important. Alright, just let me think what I can take a picture from. Alright, so that was it with this video. I'm still smiling so much. I'm so happy that I got myself this camera, and just taking the first few photos was a lot of fun. I'm so happy, I'm so grateful, and if you stick around until here, thanks a lot. It means the world to me that you just, unboxed this camera together with me and tried it out. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!